Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, back with you again for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just about 2 minutes. This lesson is how to create your own tornado. You will follow directions and create your own weather science experiment. Here are the materials that you will need. You will need the worksheet with steps to follow. The link will be below in my show notes. You will also need 2 screw-on caps, 2 large plastic bottles, a large nail, some glue, water, a little bit of glitter, and then you're ready to begin. Here is what you need to do. Glue the 2 bottle caps together. Then ask an adult to take the large nail and to make a hole through the center of the bottle caps. Fill one of the plastic bottles 3/4 of the way full with water and add some glitter. Put the cap on the bottle. Then take the second bottle and screw the other end of the cap onto the second bottle. Now turn the bottles upside down. Hold the bottom bottle with both hands carefully, and with your wrists start to make circular motions in the air. You should see the water start to swirl. Within a couple of minutes, you will have your own mini tornado. Now, last step. Go back to the worksheet from my Pinterest board. Carefully think about the steps that you followed and number them in order from 1 to 10. Number 1 being the first thing you did and 10 the last. If you've been successful, you are now a weather scientist. Please hit the subscribe button to get new notifications of mini lessons and all my other learning opportunities. If you have a minute or two, check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com for all kinds of wonderful teaching resources. Until next time, bye.